MG Motor, or Morris Garages, is a British marque known for its sports cars and mini cars. It was founded in 1924 by Cecil Kimber. Over the years, with its glorious history, the ownership of the company has changed hands across diversified business conglomerates to finally being owned by Chinese state-run SICK Motor. For the uninitiated, SICK is the 7th largest automotive design and manufacturing company in the world. The Indian journey. Nearly 2 years ago, in September 2017, MG Motor India inaugurated its manufacturing facility in Halol, Gujarat and announced its plans for India. These included introducing a premium mid-size SUV in the heart of the market, followed by an all-electric SUV. The program also included the opening of 120 MG touchpoints across the country by June 2019 and increase it to over 250 showrooms by September. MG Motor Headquarters Tour in China. Before the company introduced its first product in India, MG Motor India took Indians on an exclusive tour of its headquarters in Shanghai, China. The trip included a visit to its Lingling factory, the R&D center in Anting, and finally testing out a few electric cars at the proving grounds in Guangdong. We were offered insights into the R&D facilities including design building, architecture lab, thermal wind tunnel lab, NVH, powertrain lab and much more. It also included a tour of the lithium-ion battery assembly and testing facilities and a brief glimpse of the MG Emotion concept. MG announces the first SUV for India. With MG Motor India's first manufacturing plant in place, the company started testing the prototypes of its first SUV for India in early 2018. And with much speculation surrounding its name, the company finally announced that its first product in India would be called the MG Ector. In the run-up to its official unveiling, MG Motor India tied up with a prominent ride-hailing partner, and also set up its corporate headquarters in Gurugram, Haryana. MG Flagship Experience Center. A special mention should go to the MG Flagship Experience Center showroom. MG Motor India already has 120 such showrooms across the country and is in the process of having over 250 dealerships by September 2019. Besides displaying the Ector, the primary purpose of these showrooms is to redefine the car buying experience in India completely. Each MG Experience Center follows the brand's emotional dynamism design philosophy, which incorporates the brand elements and slick color palettes. Each showroom has various British cultural icons like the Union Jack, Big Ben, telephone booths and street lamps installed at strategic locations to associate with the British heritage of MG. Also likely to grab your attention, there will be the 1965 MG Midget on display that reminds us of MG's legacy and its glorious past. An LED video wall, comprising of 36 connected TVs, displays the brand's history. There's also a live configurator of accessories to personally configure your Ector. And if that was not all, each showroom will also have an MG cafe for refreshments. The deal. There's no doubt that the MG Ector is a well-finished premium SUV in a sea of mass-market offerings. It brings along with it the MG heritage and the British glory that we have come to learn about. And it is pioneering with technology and internet connectivity features that are unheard of in its segment. The Ector then is not an underdog, but a champion in its game. And MG Motor India, with its brand heritage, is redefining the overall car buying experience for its customers. Do subscribe MotoArch for more such videos.